Evening commute underway with still some ongoing construction there on I-94 eastbound, so commute a little slow, as has been for most of this summer. But at least we have some clear skies for this evening's commute. Currently 58 degrees in Fargo, 55 in Moorhead. Wind is lighter today, too, out of the north-northwest at just 8 miles per hour. Grand Forks, mostly sunny, 57. Wind is out of the north-northwest at 9 miles per hour. And you may have noticed that sunset getting earlier and earlier. Grand Forks, 6:50, that's sunset time this evening. Temperatures around the valley are once again in the 50s today, as we've been the last couple of days. Coolest in parts of northern Minnesota. The cool spot right now, 51 in Baudette. We're 53 in Bemidji. A little bit warmer down to the south and west. Aberdeen, the warm spot again, just like yesterday, at 60 degrees. Satellite and radar showing that most of us have clear skies, but as we had talked about yesterday, this cloud deck is starting to move into parts of northern Minnesota, and this cloud deck is going to greatly influence what we can see for temperatures overnight tonight. So let's walk you through it. The rest of this evening, this cloud deck is going to slowly advance. This is 10:30 tonight, and we're just now seeing that cloud deck pushing into more of northwestern Minnesota and a little bit of the far northern valley. Now, this cloud deck is not going to make it all the way across our viewing area by the time we get to tomorrow morning. It's only going to make it across the northern valley and a good part of northern Minnesota aside from Lakes Country. So how this influences temperatures. Where we have cloud cover by daybreak, temperatures will be anywhere from the mid-30s to near 40 degrees. But where we stay clear overnight, upper 20s to low 30s. So it really depends on which side of the cloud deck you'll be on for what you can expect for morning temperatures tomorrow, whether or not you'll see another frost or another freeze overnight. Into tomorrow afternoon, that cloud deck kind of hangs on, pushes a little bit further to the south and to the west, and then just kind of hangs out there throughout the rest of the day. A little bit of a breeze picks up in the afternoon out of the east, generally around 15 to 20 miles per hour, just that regular breeze. Not expecting a windy day by any means, but it's going to be another cool one as well, with temperatures once again in the 50s for most. Just like we've been the last couple of days, coolest in northern Minnesota, slightly warmer down in parts of southeastern North Dakota. Looking ahead as we wrap up the work week, this is Thursday afternoon. So Thursday into Friday, expecting a low pressure system to move in out of the south, lifting up to the north a little bit. That's going to bring some areas of heavy rain. And it's going to, at this time, looking to be just clipping our far southernmost counties of the Red River Valley, pushing up a little bit more into Friday afternoon. We'll be watching the track of that low very carefully if it pushes any further north, if it retreats back down to the south. But at this point, looks like some places could see about an inch or so of rain in the yellows in the far southern Red River Valley. Temperatures over the next 11 days still expected to warm up a bit, Bobby. So let's take a look here at your 11-day planner. Generally in the 50s, a couple cool days in there, but then next week still expecting some low 60s.
Yeah, which I will definitely take any day of the week as long as there is no rain or the S word.
We won't say that yet. No.
Yeah, no, exactly. No, we're not going to say it yet, though.
It's looking pretty dry next week, so good news there.
Perfect. Music to our ears. Summer, thank you.